In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image change when you hover over it using the Wix website editor, a simple yet effective way to enhance user interaction on your website. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. If you haven't already logged in, make sure you do that and navigate to the site where you want to make this exciting change. Once you're in your editor, your screen should show the layout of your current site. This is your canvas. Now, begin by heading over to the Add Elements section, usually found on the left-hand side of the editor. This panel is where you'll find all the customizable elements you can add to your site, from text and images to buttons and more. Once inside the Add Elements tab, look for the Image option. Click on this to browse the image selections available. Here, you can either use a stock image from Wix or upload your own. If you decide to upload, just ensure your image fits the aesthetic and theme of your site. After choosing your desired image, it will appear on your page. From here, navigate back to Add Elements and repeat the process to add a second image. This second image will be the one that appears when hovering over the initial image. The next step involves resizing your images to ensure they fit seamlessly within your design. Click on an image and then drag the corners to adjust the size. Remember to maintain the aspect ratio to avoid any distortion. With your images resized, it's time to add some interactivity. Navigate to the Animation and Effects section. This is where you bring your website to life by adding animation to your images. In the Animation and Effects menu, click on Mouse Effects. This selection is what will enable your image to change when hovered over. Choose the effect that best suits your site's style. Whether you want a subtle fade or a more dramatic zoom, pick the option that enhances your user experience. Following the mouse effect selection, the next key element is the entrance effect. This will set how your initial image behaves when the page first loads. Again, explore the options and choose the one that suits your style the best. Finally, ensure everything is how you envisioned it by clicking Close, then Preview, to test out your new interactive element. In this preview mode, hover over the image to see your changes in action. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully added a hover effect to an image on your Wix site. If not, you can easily return and tweak elements until it's just right. That's it for today's tutorial. You've learned how to enhance your website's user experience by making images interactive with a simple hover effect using Wix Studio. Until next time, keep experimenting and happy editing.